Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. If you're so inclined and get just a second, if you would, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification icon to notify you when I release new content. Also, it'll notify you when I go live. It'll notify you when I release videos like this one that'll be released later this afternoon. And most importantly, it'll help me. It'll help, allegedly, the algorithm show my videos to more people and show YouTube that you're not a bot, that you're actually entered in EDC and knife content. So let's get started. Today we have a little unboxing from our friends Bryan at Blue Creek Knives. I ordered this, I want to say Friday, and it's already gotten here. Today is Monday. Our unboxing knife will be the Concept Bevy. I don't know if I've gotten into this the right way or not. That'll work. Alright, so we got some peanuts. We got a knife. Oh, sweet. We got some Ranger eyes. We have got, I'm trying to dig through the peanuts, guys. Got some cool stickers. And a Knife Nerd Ranger eye. Man, that is what you call box swag. So we've got a package from Blue Creek Knives, and Bryan included 3 cool stickers. And then 3 cool Ranger eyes, which I've got places for those, either on one of my Vanquish bags or on my range bag. But we'll get these out of the way. Leave that one up here. And guys, 10 guesses what this is, and the first 9 don't count. As you guys know, I've got the Qvist variant PE, and this is the just released Qvist variant. Comes with troll candy, comes with a little leather slip, comes with a little knife. So guys, this is the Qvist Vanish. The Vanish is built around the same profile as the PE variant. Wow. It's got really, really strong half stop, strong full stop, half stop, full stop. This is the copper color scales with the blackwashed 20 CV blade. Very sharp. Let's get something to cut with it. We'll cut our return label from Smoky Mountain Knives. So guys, this is probably not as unique this week as it would have been 2 weeks ago, now that I've fallen down the slip joint rabbit hole. But I'd seen this knife even before I fell down the slip joint rabbit hole, and I'm such a fan of my Qvist PE, which I should have out here. When I saw that Jacob was doing this little Vanish in the slip joint variation, I was interested. Again, I was not into slip joints at the time. I didn't know about slip joints at the time. I knew about them, but I didn't think that I would have any use for one. But guys, as a secondary carry, it comes with this nice little, it's not a Lancelot leather sheath. You can tell the threading's not as good, but it's pretty nice leather. It'll be a great way to keep this little knife in my pocket. Fits it perfectly. But yeah, guys, this is the Qvist variant. I want to say this is anno titanium, because you can either get it in raw, You could get it in the bronze color, or you could get it in a couple of different patterns that were sold out. And I know that Jacob is bringing some very unique patterns that he's been posting on his Instagram for Blade Show this year. I'm not going to say never, but I wouldn't be surprised if I pick up another one of these guys if I happen to stop by there. But this is a modern, traditional, very unique. You know, you're not going to find an old pattern. You might find something with a similar shape on the back. I doubt it. I'll have to ask Pocket Metal tonight. But I think this is a very modern interpretation, just using the mechanics of a very strong spring, a nice slip joint. Feels great in the hand. I can get a full 3-finger grip on that. I've also got a lanyard hole here. So this would definitely take a full-size lanyard if you wanted to put on a small snake knot with a bead, a doodad at the end so that you could get your pinky around it. It might not be a bad idea. Very similar to the hippo toe that I was showing you guys. But guys, this is number 8. This is the 8th slip joint in my collection. I was told by one of my fellow YouTuber buddies, Mr. Lefty EDC, that this was one of his favorite knives. He enjoyed the utility of it, loving it for opening packages, for cutting labels, for just having it as an easy to grab, easy to use knife. He told me I'd really like the pull, and I can tell you when you compare it to something like the Boker, which at first I thought was a 4.5, feels, if this is a 4.5, then this is a 6.7 or 7.8. Again, it's easy to open. Lefty also said that one of the advantages of getting the coated blade, besides the fact that it will protect the 20 CV longer, is it's easier to get a grip on. So if you don't want to reach for the hole, you want to reach up here closer to the tip. Allegedly, it's easier done on the DLC coated blade than on the raw blade or the satin blade. I like the DLC on this copper coated or copper anode titanium with the black hardware, the black blade. Really like that. Not that I'll ever take this apart, but it's T8s all the way around. So those are T8 body screws, a T8 pivot screw, a nice solid spring back there. You can see it displays just a little bit, falls back flat at half stop, displaces just a little bit, snap shut, same in reverse. But guys, this action is very tactically fidgety. I mean, again, this is not a boom, boom, like I do with this. That's fidgeting. But for me, in addition to that, I found myself sitting at my desk flipping my knife, and then I'll cut some fruit or do something like that. But cool little knife, guys. This is the Qvist Vanish. I'm glad I got in on one. I'm glad Bryan still had them in stock. This is the second or third knife I've purchased from Bryan at Blue Creek Knives, and I am a big fan. He ships very quickly. I've got my eye on a knife over there right now. They're actually two. One of them has a certain blade and the other one has a different blade, the same knife, but it's available at other retailers, and I have a feeling, I know I'm going to buy it at Blue Creek Knives. I didn't use anybody's code on this because, again, you can't use codes on certain knives that have a fixed margin. I totally understand that, but I do appreciate the quick shipping. I do appreciate Bryan having this in stock, and I do appreciate him for throwing in all the stickers and the sweet Ranger eyes. I saw these on Zach's stuff yesterday when he was doing his live stream. But those are really cool. I'm a big fan of his stickers too. But guys, the Qvist variant. if you get the chance and you're so inclined and you like knife content, or let's say you like me or can tolerate me. If you can tolerate me, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that bell notification icon. Again, mainly the bell notification icon lets YouTube know you're a human, and it will notify you when I release this video. It'll notify you when I go live. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it does show support in YouTube's eyes for the channel. Most importantly, guys, I ask that you look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward in life with love in your heart. Choose debate over hate. Know I love you all. Peace.